Good morning to everyone. I am Sujata. I am working as a maths faculty in Vignana Bharati High School. Today I am going to explain 10th class topic, that is sets. Second chapter, that is sets. Set theory is developed by George Cantor. Set theory is developed by George Cantor. What is the meaning of set? A well-defined collection of objects is called as set. What is the meaning of set? A well-defined collection of objects is called as set. First we are going to know about the collection. What is the meaning of collection? We collect some coins, we collect some stamps, we collect some numbers. Okay, all those are collection only. What is the meaning of well-defined? Well-defined means every element in a set follows a common property. Every element in a set follows a common property. We are going to be able to decide each and every element. Suppose we take an element, that element belongs to that set or not. That is, we are able to decide that one. Okay. What is the meaning of well-defined? All the objects in the set should have a common property. It should be possible to decide whether that given object or given element belongs to that set or not. Belongs to that set or not. We are able to decide that one. That is the meaning of well-defined. That is the meaning of well-defined. We usually denote a set by using uppercase letters. What is the meaning of uppercase letters? Uppercase letters is nothing but capital letters. We are always denote the letter sets by using capital letters only. A, capital B, capital C, like that only. Each and every object in a set we are going to call as element. We are going to call as element. Here A equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. This is the well-defined collection of numbers. This is, we are able to decide, this is a set of odd numbers. B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. This is a set of even numbers. C equal to A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U. This is the collection of vowels in English alphabet. These are the examples of set. These are the examples of set. Set means a well-defined collection of objects is called as set. Next, set here we are going to take as January, June, July. All those are the months in a year which are started with the letter J. This is also a well-defined set. B equal to apple, mango, banana. This is also well-defined set. Why? Because we are able to decide that is the fruit set. Okay, well-defined collection of objects is called as set. Next we are going to define sets are described into two types. First one is roster form or list form. Second one is set builder form or characterized form. We describe the sets into two ways. First one is roster form or list form. Second one is set builder form or ruler form. What is the meaning of roster form? In this form, a set is described by the listing out of elements. Those elements are separated by using commas, and we kept those elements in the curly brackets or flower brackets. What is the meaning of roster form? In this form, the elements of a set listing out by separating the elements by using commas and we kept those elements in curly brackets. That form is called as roster form. For example, the set of vowels in English alphabet. The set of vowels in English alphabet. We describe that set as A equal to A comma, E comma, I comma, O comma, U. Those are the elements of a set. Those are the vowels of English alphabet. Those are the vowels of English alphabet. Suppose an element belongs to that set. Suppose the element A belongs to the set A, then we use the symbol of belongs to. Suppose E belongs to A, then we use the symbol belongs to. A belongs to. A belongs to A. The element E belongs to the set A. Suppose we are going to take an element T. T is present in the set A? No. T does not present in the set A. That's why we are going to use T does not belongs to the set A. This is the symbol of belongs to. Suppose the element belongs to that set. The element present in that set. Then we use the symbol of belongs to. Otherwise, suppose the element does not present in the set. Then we use does not belongs to. The element T does not belongs to the set A. Next we are going to, in the representation of set, we write the element only one time. No need to repeat the same element in the representation of while writing a set. While writing a set, don't repeat the element. Don't repeat the element. Okay, elements cannot be repeated while writing a set. While writing a set, we are no need to repeat the same element. Okay, in the explanation of sets, we use another form, that is set builder form. What is the meaning of set builder form? Set builder form. In this form, a set is described by a characterized property. By a characterized property P of x of its elements x. In such a case, the set is described by x such that P of x holds. P of x holds. For example, set A equal to the set A containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we are going to represent this roster form or list form into set builder form. How we are going to explain in set builder form? X such that x is an element in the set A. X is an element in the set A. All the elements are belongs to natural number set only. That's why x belongs to n. Okay, x value less than 8. We are going to take the natural numbers up to 7 only, and strictly less than 8. Okay, the natural numbers which are less than 8, those numbers only we take in the set A. Okay, the roster form and set builder form must represent the same set only. The roster form and set builder form, those two represent same set only. Now I am going to explain about types of sets. In types of sets, first I am going to say about empty set or null set or void set. What is the meaning of empty set? A set containing no elements. A set containing no elements. The number of elements in a set is 0. The number of elements in a set is 0. And that set containing no elements, then that set is called as empty set. Okay, we are going to denote the empty set by using pi or empty braces. Okay, for example, A equal to, the set A represents as x belongs to R. X is a real number. And x square is equal to minus 2. The square of any real number never be negative, always positive. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, minus 1 whole square 1, minus 2 whole square, minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4. Okay, the square of any real number always positive. But here he given x square equal to minus 2. The square of real number as negative integer, negative real number. Okay, there is no such real value. That's why this is becomes as a empty set. What is the meaning of empty set? The number of elements in a set is 0. A set containing no elements. A set containing no elements. Then the set is called as empty set. Then the set is called as empty set. Next, I am going to explain second one, that is singleton set. What is the next one? Singleton set. What is the meaning of singleton set? A set containing only one element. A set containing only one element. The number of elements in a set is 1. Then that set is called as singleton set. Okay, a set containing only one element, then that set is called as singleton set. For example, x such that x belongs to n. X is a natural number. Natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. And x square equal to 9. He given a condition. X square value is equal to 9. This is possible only x. Suppose we are going to take x equal to 3, then 3 square value is 9. Minus 3 square value is also 9. Minus 3 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus. 3 3s are 9. This is also minus 3 whole square is also 9. But he given the element belongs to natural number set. But in natural number set, we take only positive numbers. We take only positive counting numbers. Here minus 3 does not belongs to n. That's why here we getting x square equal to 9. The element 3 only satisfies the given condition. The element 3 only satisfies the given condition. So this set is called as singleton set. A set containing only one element. A set containing only one element, then the set is called as singleton set. Next I am going to explain about finite set. Okay, we are going to take a set. Okay, thus the countable, a set containing countable number of elements. A set containing countable number of elements, then the set is called as finite set. Then the set is called as finite set. Okay, countable number of elements. A set containing countable number of elements, then the set is called as finite set. Set of natural numbers which are less than or equal to 100. And what is that meaning? We are going to write the natural numbers less than or equal to 100. Natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3 and so on. We are going to write up to 100. Okay, those elements are countable. So this set is called as finite set. What is the meaning of finite set? The number of elements in a set is countable. The number of elements in a set is countable. Then that set is called as finite set. Okay, for example, set of natural numbers less than or equal to 100. We are going to write the natural numbers from 1 to 100. A equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 100. Those numbers are called as, the set A is called as finite set. The set A is called as finite set. Those are the natural numbers which are less than or equal to 100. Next, cardinal number of the set. The number of elements present in a set. The number of elements present in a set. That number is called as cardinal number of the set. The number of elements present in a set. The number of elements present in a set. That number is called as cardinal number of the set. Cardinal number of the set. For example, A equal to A, B, C, D. The set A containing 4 elements. What are those 4 elements? A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. The set A containing 4 elements. The number of elements in set A equal to 4. Okay, the cardinal number of a set represented as n of A. N of A means the number of elements presenting in the set A equal to 4. This is called as cardinal number of a set. What is the meaning of cardinal number? The number of elements present in a set. The number of elements present in a set is called as cardinal number. The set A containing 4 elements, that's why we are going to write n of A equal to 4. N of A equal to 4. Next I am going to explain about equal sets. What is the meaning of equal sets? Let A comma B are any two sets. Let A comma B are any two sets. let A comma B are any two sets. If every element of A is present in B and every element of B is present in A, then those two sets are called as equal sets. Let A and B are any two sets. Every element of A is present in B and every element of B is present in A, then those two sets are called as equal sets. For example, we are going to take A equal to A, B, C, B equal to C, A, B. Those two sets containing same elements. The set A containing A, B, C, the elements which are present in the set B also A, B, C, irrespective of order. No need of order. Order to sambandham ledhu. Okay, two sets having same elements, then those two sets are called as equal sets. Next I am going to explain about equivalent sets. Equivalent sets. Let A and B are two sets. The number of elements in A and B are same. The number of elements in A and B are same. Then those two sets are called as equivalent sets. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of elements in the set A equal to 4. B equal to A, B, C, D. Number of elements in the set B equal to 4. N of A equal to N of B. Number of elements in A and number of elements in B, those two are equal. So those two sets are called as equivalent sets. Here no need of same elements. All equal sets are equivalent, but all equivalent sets need not be equal sets. Students, everyone read about the definitions. I will discuss later in the coming class.